Welcome to Best Car Fixes. Here we have a Chevy Malibu 2007, no crank. What happened is on this wire here, the orange and black, when the car is in neutral or in park, it sends ground to the engine computer. So the computer will be ready anytime you crank the car. A signal leave the ignition switch and go to the body control module, and the body control module will send a cranking request to the engine control module. Engine control module will send signal, send power. This is this one here. It will send power from this wire here, pin 32, pink and black. It send power from here to the relay. This is the relay. So the relay have full power coming from this fuse on this side, and in this side it have a ground, and this side is sending power to the starter, and this side is this power from the computer. The computer will receive power here to start the car. So what we have here is we don't have no signal coming from the computer here. I took two power and ground. I put one power and one return from these two sides of the relay, like here. I put one power here. I took power from here, and the power come back from this. Put it here. Hold on. Because no matter what I did, the car doesn't want to start, and the owner need to move the car. So you turn the ignition on, you touch it here, the car is start. Thank you for watching. This is a quick solution till you have to figure out what need to be done. I come here to the schematic. You see schematic here, where he give me the wiring diagram, how it work for the starter. This is the starter, this is a command, this is the output, and this is the computer power, and this is ground, this is a 30 amps fuse. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like.